Hi guys, my name's Taylor with MarineMax of Dallas. Today I'm standing on the all-new 2020 250 Harris Crowne. This is a beautiful boat. This is their highest value model. Coming through the boat, very plush interior, storage under all of these. Very easy to access. They all will drain out too if they get any water in them. Drop down armrest here. Big ski locker as well. More area to put your cooler or whatever you may have. This does have the hard top and double bimini. Also has a JL audio system. It's very loud. You'll be able to entertain all your friends and family. Coming back to the boat, Harris offered an all-new dash. So you've got two SIMRADs now. All of your navigation, depth finder, all your engine information will be on there. This boat's going to hold 13 people. Coming back through the boat, there is a switch for this, so you can put it both ways, kind of have an area to hang out back here. Coming back a little more, this boat's going to come equipped with the all-new 450 Mercury. This boat will nearly do 60 miles an hour. Performs very well. Drop-down swim platform as well, so this boat is loaded out. Please come by our showroom and check it out. We'd love to help you out and give you some more information on it, or give us a call at 972-436-9979. Thanks.